In an unpredictable world, being prepared is essential. You can't rely on anyone but yourself when chaos strikes. As a prepper, it's crucial to equip yourself with the tools necessary to protect and sustain both you and your family. This video showcases 14 must-have Doomsday Survival items and devices for those who prioritize readiness. We've included all the details about these gadgets, including their costs, in the video's description. Without further ado, let's dive into this comprehensive list of survival gear. Gearing up for the unexpected, the Kahaka 15L Combat and Day Pack stands out as a versatile and sturdy option for all carrying needs. This compact pack features a 15L capacity expandable by an additional 5L through its pleated side pouches, making it perfect for stowing survival essentials. The spacious main compartment is designed with a fold top closure secured by senior buckles for easy access, while a dedicated hydration bladder compartment ensures you stay hydrated on the go. With compression straps and attachment points, you can secure extra gear, and an external zippered pouch keeps smaller items readily accessible. Comfort is prioritized with a removable back pad made from closed-cell foam, doubling as a sitting or kneeling pad when needed. The padded contoured shoulder straps, complete with D-rings for adjustability and a removable sternum strap, offer a customized fit. Built from durable 1000D and 500D Cordura, the Kahaka 15 is ready for rugged use, ensuring reliability for any doomsday scenario. For preppers focused on comprehensive emergency readiness, the Mira Safety Gear 2 is a tool that combines a radiation detector and dome air in a compact portable package. This lightweight device, weighing under 100 g, features a water-resistant housing and a built-in solar panel, ensuring reliability even in adverse conditions. The Gear 2 effectively detects ionizing radiation levels from 0 to 999 microsieverts per hour using a gas-filled tube, providing real-time readings crucial for personal safety. Additionally, it tracks accumulated radiation doses over 30 days, offering valuable data for medical professionals if exposure occurs. Its versatility allows it to monitor ambient radiation levels during daily activities, travel, or emergencies such as nuclear incidents, helping users make informed decisions about evacuation or sheltering in place. Lastly, the Gear 2's user-friendly interface features multiple menus and customizable settings, making it easy to operate. The ProAmpTech Fire Strip Roll stands out as an indispensable item for anyone serious about preparedness. Measuring 50 feet in length and compressed into a compact 3 inches puck, this fire starter is made from thick fibrous timber pulp soaked in water-resistant wax, ensuring it lights up even in damp conditions. Its design allows for easy storage in backpacks or survival kits, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. Using it is simple. Just cut a length from the roll, fray the edges, and ignite it with a ferro rod, flint-based igniter, or a simple lighter. Whether you're navigating harsh environments or hunkering down in your bug-out location, the Fire Strip Roll delivers consistent fire-starting performance, removing the worry of wet or unreliable tinder. This essential tool is tailored for those who refuse to leave their survival to chance, offering a practical and compact solution to staying warm and cooking when things go south. A reliable personal defense tool that also acts as a flashlight, the Battle 1500 is designed specifically for low-visibility situations. With a formidable 1500 lumen spotlight, this flashlight delivers exceptional brightness to illuminate dark environments, while its defensive strobe mode can disorient potential threats, providing vital seconds to react and strategize. Constructed from durable aluminum, it features a textured grip for secure handling and a rubber bumper to absorb impacts, ensuring it stands up to tough conditions. The light is also IPX6 water resistant, making it suitable for use in rain or adverse weather, which is crucial for survival scenarios. Despite its robust features, this flashlight remains lightweight and manageable, measuring only 16 in length. Whether you're navigating through low-light areas or need a reliable tool for personal protection, the Battle 1500 stands out as an essential part of any prepper gear collection. The soft torque head is an indispensable tool designed to control life-threatening bleeding and limbs effectively. A life-saving feature is the slack indicator, which ensures the tourniquet is properly tightened by signaling any remaining slack. The buckle facilitates smoother one-handed use, allowing for rapid application during high-stress situations. Additionally, the web material boosts durability and ease of handling, making it a reliable choice when every second counts. Proper application is crucial. For example, for arm injuries, position the tourniquet at least 3 and above the wound, ensuring no slack remains, and turn the wind L until bleeding stops. For leg injuries, loop the strap under the natural bend, reconnect the buckle, and tighten it as needed. It can also serve to stop poisoning in the scenario of snake bites. Overall, the soft tourniquet design and straightforward application process make it a vital component in any Doomsday Survival Kit. Dependable lighting can be the key to navigating through chaos, and the Thite Catapult Pro flashlight delivers the kind of performance that preppers can rely on. This compact searchlight pushes a stunning 2,700 lumens of brightness, far outshining any run-of-the-mill flashlight. Thanks to its high-performance LED and a robust 5,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, which conveniently recharges via USB-C. This flashlight is built to keep going when others fail. What sets the Catapult Pro apart is its ability to light up targets a full kilometer away. Whether you're scanning for threats or signaling for help, it's got the reach. Its tough aircraft-grade aluminum body doesn't just provide unmatched durability. This is the kind of gear that belongs in every bug-out bag, a flashlight that ensures you're never left in the dark when it truly matters. In a doomsday scenario, having the right tools at your fingertips can make all the difference. And Phoenix multi-purpose survival tool is the kind of gear you don't want to be without. This compact and lightweight powerhouse, no bigger than a pocket knife, packs 8 crucial survival functions, ensuring you're prepared for the unexpected. From fire-starting capabilities, including a waterproof tinder that burns up to 3 minutes, and a reliable ferro rod, to a fixed drop-point knife with a serrated edge for cutting through kindling or rope, the Phoenix has it all. Its built-in wrench comes in handy for gear repairs, while the flathead screwdriver allows for easy access to battery compartments in a pinch. The LED light provides much-needed illumination with a flashing mode for emergency signaling, and the 100D whistle ensures you're heard when help is needed. Weighing just 7 ounces, it's ideal for tossing in your go bag, offering multifunctional use without adding bulk, giving peace of mind for the unexpected challenges that lie ahead. The Beta from BPS Knives is a go-to tool for preppers looking to combine reliability with precision in their survival gear. Handmade with a D2 steel blade, this knife delivers durability, ensuring its edge retention and corrosion resistance remain top-notch even under heavy use. With a hardness rating of 60 to 61 HRC, the Beta excels in aggressive tasks like cutting cords, chopping wood, or prepping campfire meals. Measuring 8.6 in overall with a 3.9 in blade, it offers a full tank construction providing superior strength and balance. The handle, made from premium Marta, is built to withstand environmental wear while providing a secure grip even in harsh conditions. It comes with an ABS plastic sheath equipped with a tech lock attachment, allowing both right and left-handed users to carry it securely on a belt or maul system. Whether you're building a fire or navigating survival scenarios, the Beta camping knife stands out as an essential, reliable tool for any wilderness or emergency. In a doomsday survival situation, staying connected and powered up could be critical, and the Big Blue solar charger is the kind of charger that gets the job done. Designed for rugged outdoor use, this charger offers an impressive energy conversion rate of up to 23.5%, outperforming most typical solar chargers that barely hit 15%. Equipped with 3 USB Type-A ports, the Solar PoA allows for simultaneous charging of multiple devices, delivering up to 5 VT-BT 2.4A per port, ensuring you're never left with dead electronics. Its smart charge technology automatically adjusts output to suit each device, safeguarding against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. The foldable design not only maximizes solar absorption, but also keeps everything compact for transport. With its zippered pocket for device security and built-in AMR display, this solar charger ensures you're always powered up and prepared for whatever challenges come your way. When venturing into the backwoods, having a reliable shelter is crucial, and the One Tigris Bushcraft Shelter 2.0 is designed with survivalists in mind. Crafted from 75D rip stop nylon, this shelter is built to withstand the elements with its waterproof seams. Weighing only 1,450 g, it fits for backpacking, traveling, and camping. The versatile design allows to set up a porch area with a canopy or zip it up into a sturdy A-frame tent. With features like reinforced grommets, wide double K zippers, and a double-layered entrance for superb ventilation, this tent is ready for any season. The thoughtful details, including a lantern attach point and tie-out points for extra stability, make it a standout choice. Plus, it comes with 10 lightweight aluminum stakes, 6 guidelines, and a waterproof compression bag for easy carrying. Whether you're trekking or hiking, the One Tigris Bushcraft Shelter 2.0 can be the perfect fit for any prepared survivalist. In a doomsday survival scenario, you need a reliable communication device like the Midland Earth 310 emergency crank radio. This versatile device combines an AM/FM radio with NOAA weather alerts, ensuring you stay informed about changing conditions. With its powerful LED flashlight featuring multiple settings, low beam, high beam, and a flashing Morse code SOS, the ER3110 lights up the darkest nights. It operates on a rechargeable battery, which can be conveniently charged via USB or through hand cranking, although the latter is a slower process. The user-friendly design allows easy switching between AM/FM and NOAA bands with a simple press of a button, while tuning is easily managed with up and down buttons. A cool feature is the WX Alert function, which silently monitors NOAA broadcasts and sounds an alarm when severe weather warnings are issued. Overall, compact, multifunctional, and dependable, the Midlander 310 is essential for anyone serious about survival when the unexpected strikes. A fire starter is a must-have for any outdoorsman, and survival preppers know just how crucial it can be. With this in mind, we found the Wolf and Grizzly Fire Set. This handy tool ensures you can reliably ignite a fire in any condition, providing warmth, cooking food, purifying water, and signaling for help. Crafted from ferrocerium, this little stick is the best one when it comes to lighting fires. Weighing just 2.230, it's easy to carry but packs a punch with big sparks every strike. It's designed to last a whopping 2,000,000 strikes, making it far more durable than any typical matches or lighter. Plus, it generates sparks at a blazing 5,400 AF, ensuring you can start a fire on the first strike every time. The striker is made of high-quality knife steel, so you can sharpen it like any other blade. And for those emergency situations, the included paracord has jute tinder inside. Just cut it open and it's ready to go. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just prepping for the unexpected, the Wolf and Grizzly Fire Set is the most reliable fire starting tool. Clean water is crucial in any survival situation, and access to it will increase your survival fold. That is where the Grail Ultra Press comes in. It isn't just compact and easy to use, but it also ensures you're drinking safe, purified water wherever you are. It removes waterborne pathogens and is built from CP4 Grade 1 titanium, making it incredibly durable and lightweight. The laser-engraved topo art adds a sleek touch, but it's not just about looks. The OnePress Global Filtration System is award-winning for a reason. It's ridiculously easy to use. Just fill, press, and drink. Plus, it has a one-way silicone valve and a paracord deering loop, and it fits any cup holder. You can also use it to heat food and water, perfect for those cold nights. And with ultra-powdered activated carbon, it even handles heavy metals and chemicals. It's also drink mix ready, so you can add electrolytes or flavor without clogging the filter. When the situation gets tough, the Ultimate Survival Tips MSK1 can be the go-to solution for different survival situations. Built to tackle any challenge, this rugged Quinn thick blade crafted from black oxide coated D2 semi-stainless steel promises durability with its razor-sharp fine edge. Its design merges power and precision, featuring a tough clip point for piercing and a medium belly for versatile chopping and slicing. The handle boasts a natural feel with canvas Marta front and rear guards and a comfortable grip. What sets the MSK1 apart is its innovative survival kit stored in the handle, packed with essentials for fire starting, water purification, and more. With features like a fire steel striker, stainless steel bow drilled divot, and lashing holes, it's designed for ultimate adaptability. Plus, the switchable nylon kydex sheath offers versatile carry options. For a sharpened companion to survive any doomsday situation, this knife can be your most reliable tool. Reliable power isn't always guaranteed in emergencies. Without power, most of your devices will fail in a few hours and you will be cut off from communication. Then utilizing the power of the sun will be the way forward. The Quadar Pro Solar Power Bank does exactly that. It gives you a dependable source of energy no matter where you are. This power bank charges for free using 4 high-powered 5.5-watt solar panels, giving you sustainable energy straight from the sun day with an 8,000 milliamp hours battery capacity. It's powerful enough to charge up to 3 devices at once. Plus, the built-in LED flashlight is perfect for those dark off-grid nights. Whether you're off the grid or in a blackout, the Quadar Pro Solar Power Bank ensures you're never without power. You might be the kind of person who doesn't like regular emergency tents yet is looking for a different tent that comes with a full perimeter tub floor for additional splash protection. We got the Sling Fin Split Wing Mesh Body tent on this list. This ultralight bug shelter is designed to mesh perfectly with the split wing tarp, but also shines on its own or with other tarps. It stays attached to the split Y and ensuring a dry pitch every time and shields you from bugs and unwanted critters. Features include straight zippers for durability, a robust PE-coated 20D ripstop floor, and a spacious stuff sack for easy storage. With internal sealing O-rings for hanging gear, side pullouts for increased volume, and an 11.0 or 332G weight, it's roomy enough for one, but can accommodate 2 hardcore UL hikers if needed. Ideal for through hikes, it's your go-to for modular and versatile ultralight camping. A knife surely is among the most versatile tools you can use during survival, but sometimes the situation demands more than just a knife. And in that case, the Vericatare Viscama is a must-mention. This versatile heavy-duty machete is perfect for building shelters, chopping firewood, and carving feather sticks. Drawing inspiration from the Scandinavian Loku, the SCR is both a tool and a defensive weapon. Its 21st century design would surely impress any Saxon warrior from ye good old days. The slightly curved blade made from durable carbon steel ADC RV2 boasts a full tang construction and ends with a bare tang head for a wrist strap. The blade, sharpened to 2 different angles, offers a 25 degrees edge near the grip for fine work and a 34 degrees edge for chopping. With a length of 430 millimeters and weighing just 525 G, the Skama is easy to handle. Its molded rubber grip provides a secure hold, making it an essential part of your survival gear list. That was all about 17 Doomsday Survival Gear and Gadgets that you've never seen before.